Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel, Fine Coils. It's your girl, Cherise. And today we are doing a DIY. We're going to be making a Prepoo out of aloe and a couple of different oils. So stay tuned. Oh, guy.
I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me.
So we're not wasting no time at all. So to start off, you're gonna need a cutting board. And of course a piece of aloe, which I got from Bravo's or your whole food store. You're gonna need you a big behind knife, or a knife in the words of Cat Williams, some olive oil, some coconut oil, and I have my growth oil by The Main Choice. It is a mixture of oils and it's meant to stimulate growth and make your hair grow nice and long and thick. So I figured, why not throw that in this, you know? Now, I'm sure you guys do not need me to tell y'all how to cut up an aloe leaf. You cut off the sides that are prickly and you cut it into smaller pieces that expose that clear gelatin-like meat on the inside, you know? Don't cut off all of the green portion, that skin, because we're going to use that too. So just save it in a little container to the side. Now, I don't know why, I guess I just forgot because I was moving fast, but I forgot to show you guys that I did also add peppermint oil to this. I will show you guys exactly what I used a little bit later when I'm mixing all the oils together. But I did add a few drops of peppermint oil in there as well for scalp stimulation and that little tingly, fresh, cool feeling that we all know and love. Kind of has like that tea tree kind of feeling as well. So that peppermint oil is in there for that. Now, all of the oils and ingredients that I'm using, I have listed in the description box below. And hey, while you're down there, why don't you go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button. YouTube has taken the ability to leave comments on the video below, so you guys are safe now. You will no longer hear me say comment on this video. Just make sure you like and subscribe and you hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my posts or uploads. So as I mentioned in my previous video where I do my killer combos, where I was like, I want everybody, you know, everybody's curls, coils, and kinks to pop this year. That's one of my goals. I also want to grow my hair as close to waist length as possible. So I decided to make myself a Prepoo that would aid in length retention. So now in this clip, I'm showing you guys the peppermint oil that I use, and I did get that from Amazon. It'll be linked down below. So now once all your aloe is cut up, you're gonna put all of your oils in a kind of like a frying pan to kind of just mix up and melt into each other. And once you've done that, you're gonna take all your cubed bits and slowly and carefully place them into the hot oil. Take your time because the oil is hot and you don't want that to happen to you. And I blame that completely on Babe. And yes, it did hit my hand, but thank God it did not burn me. Now, aloe is also very beneficial, not just for your hair, but for your skin as well. Y'all just saw Babe dip his finger into it, and he actually just applied that to like this little dry patch on his chin. And that patch has been cleared up. It cleared up the very next day. So girl, if you don't know about aloe, do your research, Sid. Do your research. Yes, I want all of the ooey gooiness. And we don't waste products, so we want the scraps too. And I clean as I go. I can't work in a dirty kitchen, so I gotta clean as I go. Boo, I got to. And you just wanna, you know, let everything kind of just heat up and sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. You're gonna wanna check in with it periodically and stir it. Make sure it's not sticking to the bottom or anything like that or burning. So every once in a while, check in on that mug. Make sure, you know, she's doing good. And she's just gonna start to get brown. And that's what you want, girl. That's what you want. You see how it's nice and like a golden brown color? It's gonna get like a shade darker. And once it gets there, girl, just gonna give it one more light stir. But you see it's nice and brown. And when I touch the side, like, you don't feel that ooey gooiness anymore. It's done, baby. She's done. But you do just want to let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Just want to let it sit and cool so that, you know, one, you don't burn yourself, and two, so that you don't burn yourself. I don't know. You just don't want to burn yourself. And then you just want to transfer to a little bottle that makes it easier for applying it to your hair. I got that little bottle at Dollar General for $1. It's a condiment bottle. And I'm extra, so I'm getting every drop of my oil. Sorry about the bad angle. I was doing this by myself while my husband was working, and we both work from home. His office is in the living room, so that's why I had to do a voiceover, and that's why you hear the rain band next to me, because I'm sitting next to the window and it's raining. But we are done, sis. We are done. And just being a little bit more extra, babe made me do this, but I'm throwing all these little bits into the blender because, believe it or not, that aloe did absorb a lot of that oil. So I'm throwing it into the blender, and I'm going to pulse it a couple times and then strain it out with some pantyhose into a bowl and pour that into a bottle and let that sit, because there is more oil there, which you will see at the end. But I don't know if I said this yet, but girl, we are done. We are done. And there you have it. 2 bottles of your very own aloe oil Prepoo. And here's a little consistency shot, or, well, texture shot, so you can see that it is a very, very lightweight oil, perfect for pre-pooing so that it will penetrate your strands. And it's all natural, sis. You made it. I'm proud.